If you are currently on the Proton Mail free plan, in today's video, let me show you how you can change it. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change it. If you want to upgrade your plan on Proton Mail, you just need to click on the upgrade button that you'll be able to see on the top of your screen. Once you click on it, it's just going to show you the Mail Plus option, which is a different plan. But if you also want to check out other plans, what you can do is click on the profile icon on the top right and then click on upgrade. This way it's going to show you the other plans that are also available, such as Proton Unlimited and Proton Duo. You can also sort it out for different users as well. If you are an individual, make sure you select the individual option. If you are using it for families, you can select the families option. And if you're using it for business, make sure you select the business option. Now, depending upon what you need, just select the plan that you want to upgrade to and then click on the select button. Before doing that, make sure you take a look at all of the benefits that you're going to get with this particular plan. Once you read through it, click on the select option. It is exactly going to show you the total amount that you need to pay, depending upon when you want to pay, whether it's going to be 12-month, 24-month or monthly payments. So select the exact payment time and then click on pay. Once you've done that, you'll also need to add in your card details, such as your card number. You can use all of these services, so make sure you add in your card details. Other than the card, you can also pay using PayPal, Bitcoin, or cash even. But the easiest way is going to be the card option. Select the card option, add in everything that you need, and then click on pay. And as easy as that, you will be upgraded to a different plan inside of Proton Mail. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.